Let's code a few more procedures in your textbook. Let's go on to page number 2 and start with question number 7. Arthroscopic partial meniscectomy of the left knee. The first choice we need to make here is the main term that we will use the index. It has to be a root operation, root procedure type, or common procedure name. In our case, we have a common procedure name, which is meniscectomy. So we try to find meniscectomy in our index. The system found meniscectomy. Now we need to make a choice between two root operations, excision versus resection. We know that excision is partial removal and resection is total removal. So the procedure was partial meniscectomy, so the choice is excision. We go to the table where we make a choice for the body part character. In our case, it's left knee. The approach was arthroscopic, so we choose percutaneous endoscopic. In terms of device, we choose, we only have one choice, Z. And in terms of qualifier, we cannot choose X because the procedure was therapeutic in nature, so the only choice we have left is Z. So after you put all the characters together, the procedure code for this case is 0SBD4ZZ. Let's jump on the page number 3 of your textbook and code a common procedure number 21, cardiac cath. So we're going to start by the index and try to find the root operation, common procedure name, or root procedure type. In this case number 21, we don't have any of those choices. We don't have a root operation or common procedure name. So the way we do whenever we don't have those main things that we're looking for is to find the intent for the procedure. So the intent for a cardiac cath procedure is to make measurements for the cardiac functions. So we're gonna go by measurements for this procedure. Click on the M bookmark. So we found measurement is by function of cardiac function. So click on the cardiac, and we get on a table where we need to eliminate a few rows here so we can come up with only one choice, one procedure. So we have 4 rows here, but we can eliminate the last 2 rows because we know that the approach was percutaneous. So we're gonna eliminate these 2 rows and we will have these 2 rows left. Now we need to eliminate one more row based on the function and qualifier. We know that based on the function, the intent for the cardiac cath is sampling and making the measurements for cardiac chambers. So we make a choice for N, which means we eliminate this row, so we only have this row left. And based on the choice we made on the function, now we only have one box left for the qualifier, which is between left, right, and the bilateral. Based on the procedure that we have in the case number 21, this was left cardiac cath, so we make choice number 7. By putting everything together, we have 4A, 0, 2, 3, and 7.